Hello, this is Chris Cardell, and on these videos I want to go through the elements that are in your complete digital marketing system to make sure that you are able to benefit from them to the max, and that also you understand the power of them and the potential of them to really transform both what's happening with your marketing and your internet marketing, but also your whole positioning of you in your business and you as an entrepreneur. So I want to start by talking to you about your online videos and how you can use them and why they're so important. So let me start. I want to make sure that you clearly understand the why behind all that. I mean, we all know that we want to have online videos on our website, but I think it's important that you understand why and how these are so effective, because that will help you decide what the best use is of them for you. So online video has become the must that it is now for all of us for a number of reasons. And the simple analogy really, I think, for all of us is that internet marketing is changing, and your website and what we currently call websites, the whole idea of websites, I think is morphing into something else. I actually don't think, 6-7 years from now, I don't think we'll talk about websites, because what we're actually talking about is your internet presence becoming a multimedia presence. We're talking about the internet and website stuff really merging with television. So online video is really about television. It's about taking television and putting it online. And that's why we see such great success with online video. Because when you or I go surfing the web and we encounter a good online video and we watch that video and we start paying attention to it, our brain is basically going into television mode. And we're all good at watching TV, right? And your customers are good at watching TV. And that's why we've done tests. As you know, I do numerous testing in our businesses. It does always vary. You can't predict every time the result, but we've added online video to pages and seen 50%, 80%, in some cases huge, 150, 200% increases in conversions and sales, because you're going from this static, silent website into what is really a multimedia TV-like experience. And to put it very bluntly, your customers are more responsive when we go into that TV video mode. So that's one of the big whys on why we're doing this. The second is to do with you, and as I said earlier, your positioning in your business. What online video enables you and the business to do is positioning yourselves above everybody else, to create some status for you. The ability to create status for you and your colleagues, if you're in a larger business, is really, really important because it does a number of critical things for you. First of all, it just establishes a different kind of relationship with your customers. If you're the person or you're the business where they're used to watching videos and seeing videos, it feels like a different relationship. It feels like a slightly deeper relationship. But video also lets you position yourself as an authority. And the concept of authority is vital to this status idea. So it strengthens the relationship with the customers. It makes them more likely to buy from you and over time to keep buying. It does something else which is very cool as well. It enables you to have more of a premium pricing policy. See, we want your business positioned so that if possible, you are perhaps at the higher end of the pricing spectrum, so you're not fighting it out and battling it out with everybody at the lower end. Video enables you to do that. So that's the why of video. So let's talk specifically about how you're going to be wanting to use your videos. Clearly, you're going to want to have them on the main pages of your website. You know that. You also want to have your YouTube channel and your YouTube presence, so that's in place as well. But I wanted to offer you a couple of other thoughts about how you can use the video. You want to integrate your online video with your email marketing strategy. So you actually want to be using your emails to send people to view the videos. See, some people say, well, now what on earth do I possibly do with email? What do I say to people in my emails? Well, think about it. If you've got 6 videos, you've now got 6 weekly emails. You've got a good subject for 6 weekly emails to send out to your customers, which will enhance the relationship and give real good value to them. So consider incorporating your video strategy into that side of things. Secondly, same thing applies to social media. Okay, if you are into social media, if you have the type of business where social media interaction is important for you, be using the videos and be working them into your social media interaction. And there's a final element of online video which very few people pay attention to, which I would offer you really to give some serious consideration to. And that is to integrate it into your PR strategy, PR, public relations. I'm a big fan of PR for business owners because it's, first of all, it's free advertising, the best kind of advertising of all. But secondly, again, if we can get you featured in the media, in newspapers, magazines, TV, and that kind of thing, that will really elevate your status with your customers and your customer base. So I've seen some great successes with people when they contact the media. Let's say you want to go on your local radio station, for example. You contact the local radio station. Now, most people would just send a press release. But if you can send them a link to a video that shows you as a good, effective communicator and shows you communicating to your customers effectively, that will work wonders for you as well. So there are some starting points for you to start and get going with your online video. But welcome to this, here I am using videos. Welcome to this multimedia world. It is an important and an increasingly important part of the mix. So you've made a very smart decision to be in on this at this stage. And I'll speak to you on the next video.